Top fighters of the Royal Air Force go racing into action. Typical Nazi target is a lightship, unarmed and protected by international law, but there is no law for the Nazi. Then comes the reckoning. Hurricanes and Spitfires are bringing down the German bombers and fighters in tens and scores and hundreds. In every dogfight, the British pilot is top dog. Once again, the sky is filled with parachutes as the Nazi pilots and crews bail out. And this is how the lucky ones finish up. When a British pilot bails out, he comes down among friends. A Nazi in Britain is grounded for the duration. When 1,000 planes attack in one day, there must be damage. But these brutal triumphs are secured at such a cost as in the end must break the rule of force forever. For every blow struck at the heart of Britain, the Hurricanes and Spitfires exact the full penalty. And RAF bombers are hitting back in Germany. This is the spirit of Britain, and it is unbreakable. American journalists have been taken on a tour of districts that have suffered the worst attacks. They have been allowed to go anywhere and speak to anyone they choose. We have no need to hush up the damage. And Britain's war effort is so vast and so spread out that all the attacks since June the 18th have not caused that effort to falter for one moment. Another day dawns, and another onslaught by the German Air Force is met and hurled back with terrific losses. Every day the toll of German planes and crews mounts higher. Even those raiders who are lucky enough to escape with their lives are picked up from the sea and made prisoner. And here is one victim of the RAF going down. And here goes another one, shot down out of control. Come on a tour with our cameramen and see some of the work of the RAF. Bombers in the sea. All round the raided areas you will see the wreckage of Heinkels and Junkers and Dorniers, Messerschmitt fighters and fighter bombers. This is how the raiders pay when they dare to cross the sky frontiers of Britain. Scrap iron collection is doing well. That is our answer to the Nazi boast that Britain would be brought to her knees. And for that answer, we have to thank the Royal Air Force. They're doing a wonderful job, and they'll go on doing it until the last all clear.